Morning routine as student teacher.
Good morning, everyone. Sit down na, sit down. Luwago. Balik na si Moy Kuranan. Balik na, balik na. Oy, naisamad si Luwa ha. Ayaw niyo tamaki in town. Kasi kayo na. Isa nagtabang anak gayon na. Ahari si DJ. Nag-check na mo ka. Unsa man ka karon? Unsay adlaw na to karon? Oy. What day is today? It is Wednesday. I-check na ninyo yung assignment katong weather. Unsa man ka karon? Cloudy day. O, check ninyo tong cloudy day. Hapit na ninyo mahuman, hapit na mahuman. Oh. Oo. Oh, ano siya? Oh, Webes. Cloudy day. Oh, very good. Sige na. Check na ninyo. Cloudy day, kanina. Cloudy day, rainy day.